Beautifully designed in less than 3 pounds, 1.4 kg, the HP Spectre x360 13 has a great keyboard and trackpad, a sharp 4K display and an above-average sound system. Battery life is decent for such a power-sucking screen, and performance fits right in line with its class. Battery life takes a hit with the 4K display compared to high definition. The system runs a little hot. The HP Spectre x360 13 is a great little laptop, but if battery life matters to you a lot, opt for the HD display, not the more expensive 4K. Thanks to a first-class execution, the HP Spectre x360 13 is the mini-me of its head-turning 15-inch sister. What's most surprising about it is how little HP had to drop from the design to shrink it into a 2.8-pound, 1.29 kg, slightly larger than a letter A4-sized 2-in-1 laptop, turning the x360 13 into the most compelling 4K convertible in its size class. True, the only other real competitor in that class at the moment is the Lenovo Yoga 910, but it has clear advantages over that and only a few relative drawbacks. Of course, the first question you have to ask yourself when considering either system would be, do I really want such a small 4K display? A lot of people don't notice or just don't mind the difference between the roughly 200 pixels per inch sharpness of 1920 x 1080 with the 13.3-inch display on the 331 ppi of 4K UHD. I do. Interface text is easier to read, and I can really judge photo sharpness. But it comes with two big trade-offs: battery life and price.